Welcome back to the channel. Today we are heading to Family Dollar to take advantage of the 5 off of 25. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe, you guys. And please drop a comment to say hi, and I'll say hi back. Hello. Alright, you guys, so our first item today is going to be these Febreze plugins. Now, there was a glitch going on earlier this week that I am hoping is still going to happen. Now, the glitch is if you buy four of these plugins, there is a $5 off of 2 digital coupons, so click that. And then if you use 2 of these buy one, get one free from this month's P&G, it expires on the 8th. So if your store is all out, you have until the 8th to do this, because you don't have to do it today if the glitch is still working. But like any glitch, it can fix itself at any time. So my fingers are crossed that it's still working, but I wanted to hold out and wait till today because I wanted to use it with the 5 off of 25. So anywho, the way it works is you buy 4 of these. Now you use these 2 coupons, the buy one get one freeze, and then the digital coupon is supposed to take off the 3rd one, so making it only $5 for all 4 of them. So I'm going to grab these 2 and hopefully it works. But remember, with coupons here at Family Dollar, the paper coupons do not count towards the 25. So only about $10 of this will count towards the $25 that we would need to get the $5 off. So let's cross our fingers and hope this is still working. Alright, you guys, so our next item is this Crest baking soda, the whitening. It is priced at $2, and there is a $2 off digital coupon, making it totally free. Alright, you guys, our next item is going to be 2 of these pod creams, or Pond's creams. They are priced at $1.50, so that'll be $3, and there is a $2 off of 2 coupon, making it only $1 or 50 cents each. Alrighty, you guys, and our last item for this first transaction is going to be 2 of these Purex. There is a $2.50 off of 1, which you can use 2 times, so it'll be $5 off, and these are priced at $5, so we'll make it 2 for $5 or $2.50 each. Alright, you guys, for our second transaction, we're just going to get 2 of the Febrezes this time because I'm all out of paper coupons after the first one. 2 of those pods that are priced at $1.50. We're going to use that same $2 off coupon, making them 50 cents each. The Crest baking soda priced at $2. We're going to use that $2 coupon, making that free. And then I'm going to go ahead and grab some cleaning supplies just because I want some. I just want to stock up on them. I don't want to be caught without any, and those seem to fly off the shelves in my bundles. Next, we're going to grab some pine salt priced at $2, and there is a 25-cent coupon, making that only $1.75. Next up is this Arm & Hammer. It's on sale this week, priced at $2.95. There is a $1 off digital coupon, making that only $1.95. And our last item, you guys, is going to be this Gain, priced at $6.95 this week. There is a $2 digital, making that $4.95. And then after this, that brings our balance to $26.90, which qualifies us to use that 5 off of 25 coupon. After all of our coupons are said and done, our second transaction should only be about $9 and change, so you can just round it up and say $10 before tax. Alright, you guys, so that first transaction went perfectly. The coupons for that Febreze came off like they were supposed to, giving me a total of $6.49 before tax and $8.60 after tax. So let's go over it really quick. We got those 2 Purexes priced, they were actually cheaper, $4.45. And sorry about that little black spot, the hand sanitizer kind of dripped on it. But the other Purex for $4.45. Those $2.50 coupons came off twice, as you can see there and there. Then the Febreze plug-in, the $5. Febreze plug-in again at $5. Febreze plug-in again at $5. Febreze plug-in again at $5. So if you see there, the -5, that's the coupons. That's the paper coupon. That's the digital coupon, the second one. And then you see there a third time. Oh wait, nope, I'm sorry. The first one is the digital coupon. The second two, those are the paper coupons. And then this one right here that doesn't have that -5, that's pretty much the only one we paid for. So it's $5 for those 4. So the glitch is still going on. Then that's the Crest whitening toothpaste with the baking soda, priced at $2. It's a $2 digital that came off. And then the 2 Ponds for they were $2. They weren't $1.50 like the sign said. They were priced at $2. So those are really $4. Well, that's okay because the Purex was a little less than what I thought was $4.45. So that's probably why I had to add, see those Cheetos down there? I had to add those Cheetos because I wasn't quite at $25 after those 2 paper coupons, the buy one get one free for the Febreze plugins came off. I wasn't quite at 25, so I had to add that 59-cent Cheeto bag. But anyway, that's still awesome. It was still awesome because I paid only $6.49 before tax. And the crazy thing is, it's like I really only paid for the one Febreze for $5. Awesome. After tax, $8.60. So the first transaction went beautifully. Also, if you go on png.com and create an account, you can go ahead and scan your receipt. And you get points for buying P&G items that you can cash in for gift cards. So I'm going to submit this receipt to P&G to get some money back for that. Then my second transaction is here. Ooh, let's get it. Okay, cool. That's the Gain, priced at $6.95, and we had that $2 digital coupon. The Arm & Hammer, priced at $2.95. We had a $1 digital coupon. The Crest again, the baking soda, was priced at $2. We had a $2 coupon. The Ponds again for 2 and 2, and that $2 coupon, making them $1 each. And then we got the Pine Sol for $2 with that 25-cent coupon. And then we got 2 Febrezes, this time only because I didn't have any more of those paper coupons, those buy one get one free paper coupons, but I still had that digital coupon. So it was still like I got 1 Febreze for free because it was $5 off. And then my other son wanted a Lay's chips, you know, one gets, the other gets. So that made the subtotal now $11.25 or $12.86. If you want to think about it, it's $13. We're going to round up. So $13 for one transaction and $9 for the second transaction. So what's that? 19, 20, 21, 22. So I got about $50 worth of products for, what did I say? Again, 13 plus 9, 19, 20, for $22. So $50 worth of items for only $22 at the end of the day. Pretty cool. I just want to thank you guys for coming on this adventure with me and heading to Family Dollar to use their 5 off of 25 deals. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe if you're new to the channel. And I'll see you all next time. Bye.